Good day, traders. Welcome to the Futures Trading Coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had 5 trades. We had 4 winners and a loser. Loser was half size. Winners were pretty big. And I'm going to run through everything here left to right, explain to you what we did, why we did it, all that other kind of stuff. Now, this was not in any particular time order. We had a monster winning trade before this. In the NASDAQ. However, we did take an S play in the ES. And I told everybody, this is very volatile. Okay. We knew that this was happening. I told everybody if we're getting in here after the big winner we had, it's half size max. We tried, my thinking was after this 951 candle here, we would get at least a little bit of a push up, even if it didn't go all the way up to the top. Try to get 2-3 points. Maybe it comes up here, and then even if it failed from there, we can get a little something. That did not happen. We got immediately stopped out on that trade. Again, I specifically told everybody if you're taking the trade half size or don't take it at all, because we're going into 10 o'clock here, and as you see here, the market opened. Okay, we weren't really that volatile. Okay, and then you see the bigger candles all in here, and there was a reason for that. That was our loser. Okay, and then in the NASDAQ, we had monster trades in the NASDAQ. I mean, just unbelievable. We got short pre-market at 13,080, and there's just a sick trade. I said we're going to get into a free trade, try to get into a free trade, let the market open up. It should come down a little bit. I quite honestly wasn't expecting that big of a move right away. But hey, whatever. We did not get all the way to the bottom. We had a target here. And people were out before that, but basically the trade went from 13,080. And I mentioned nothing about there being any kind of problem or anything like that. Until it got down to around 52, 53 was where our target was right there. And you'll see it consolidated there before I went further. But that trade went from 13,080, well over 130 points, 130 handles. Okay, so it's over 500 ticks. And as you can see here, pretty much straight down, except for that little green there. I told everybody if you're in and you want to flip it, great. If you're out and you want to get long, 52, 53 here, we took that up just on the initial push. I know it wicked down over here, but just on the initial push, it went from 52, almost 100 ticks. 100 ticks. Okay, again, not everybody got all 100, but still a nice trade. Again, with no heat, barely at all. And the little heat we did have was seconds. And then we had a beautiful long trade. We waited for the sucker. We were very patient. I called the trade long at 10. Actually, I called it on the 1051 candle. We were sitting here about 5 minutes waiting for the trade. This candle here, we were waiting for it to come down. It never reached our price. I said if it gets to 68, I said it may test 65. Take it anywhere between 65 to 68. But if you want to make sure you're in, take it at 68. Everything would have been filled. Obviously, if you took it at the lower price, virtually no heat again. And we were just off to the races. Took it all the way up to the target. Okay. Again, I told everybody that this was the area where if it was going to come down, it was probably going to have a problem. And that went from 68 all the way up. Again, another 60 plus handles, 240 ticks. Again, you'll see straight up. And then again, I told everybody, okay, this is a nice area to get out. Don't be greedy. Okay. And if you want to go and flip it in reverse, or if you're already out and you want to take a short anywhere in the circle, obviously the top would be better. That was after this wick, after this candle right here. So we got in right there. Boom. And again, we got a nice quick from 030s. Went down, 80 plus ticks, almost 100. That was it. So we were going to hit it again, but we didn't. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Again, futurestradingcoach.com. Check us out. You will not be disappointed. See you in the room, everybody.